So right now, I'm going to do Arrival first. Right here we have a Rusted 737-800 with split screen times. Just landing right now from Toronto, but he has delayed. He's landing at 10:45 a.m. But they changed it. We have JetBlue A321neo. He just landed right now at 10:21. Well, the actual is 9:58 a.m. But he just came from New York. Right here we have a JetBlue A320. He's landing right now from Austin at 10:21 a.m. Right here we have a Delta 757-200. He landed right now at 10:08 a.m. He just came back. He just came from Atlanta International Airport. Right here we have an Emirates Boeing 777-300. He just landed right now at 9:54 a.m. He just came from Dubai. Right here we have a Spirit Airlines Airbus A319. He just came from Dallas and he just landed at 9:48 a.m. Here we have a Spirit Airlines Airbus A320 Neo. He just came from Atlantic City. He landed at 10:03 a.m. Here we have a Air Canada Rouge Boeing 767-300. He just came from Toronto, and he's gonna land at 10:40 a.m. Here we have a Frontier Airlines Airbus A321 Neo with sharklets. He just came from Philadelphia. He's going to land. He just landed at 10:14 a.m. I'm gonna pause right now because I need to brush my teeth.